If you have ever wanted to practice trading without risking real money, TradingView has a built-in feature. That feature is called paper trading. Now, what is this paper trading basically? I will explain you later, but in this full tutorial, I will show you how to set it up, place your first demo trades and share tips to make the most of it. So you can build confidence before using real capital. So what is paper trading? It's a free simulator that lets you buy, and sell asset in real time using virtual money. These chart prices and indicators are real, but your account balance is fake. This makes it perfect for testing, strategies or just learning how trading works. So let's start with setup. First of all, you have to just go to Google. So let's go to Google right now. And here you have to search for Trading View. Now search for it. Click on this first link here, that's official, and you will come up here. You have to log in with your ID. You can use a normal Google account just to make an account over TradingView. And once you have done this, this is how the dashboard is going to look like. Pretty similar. If it's something different, no worries. I will explain you everything here. Right. So once you have made it, you will find different brokers option. So where you will find this broker option. So first of all, you have to just go here. First of all, I will just go and search here. Let's say I want to go with the stocks, and here let's say this is Reliance, right? It's an Indian company, but just for you guys simpleness, I will just write here Apple, right? Everybody is know Apple here. Now this is Apple ENC. I will just go and click on see overview. Once you come up here, you will be able to see the chart and everything. So just go and click on full chart. Now, once you come up here, you will see the chart and everything. I have added some kind of indicators. That's why it will be slightly different. But here you can see if I buy, then I have to use my real money. How I can set up paper trading. So click on super charts. You will be redirected to a new page. And I have already added, as my, what is called, that is a paper trading. But let me show you how you can add it. Now here, if you see carefully that here in the center, beside center, and here you will find this option of open panel. Open it up and here you will get this option of connect through our trusted brokers. So these are the trusted brokers and these are the real brokers, and it will depend on country to country. Here you can just go and click on view all and you will see everything. Let me make it full screen here, and this is how it's going to look like. But I want to set up paper trading, so I will just go and select paper trading and simply you have to click on connect, and within few seconds it's done. Right, so it is pretty simple. Now let me do like this. Now let's say if I want to buy something, here I will just go and click on buy and limit order placed, and as you can see here I have started buying it. And this is the, if I just go and check out the orders, here it is. I just placed this order right now. If I want to sell something, here I will just go and select, here I will select the price, the bid, right? So, and this is a share, and here this is a currency, whatever it is, right? You can change the quantity, take profit, and you can do all kind of strategies. You can apply everything, so it will count as a real money, but actually technically it's a fake money. And here I can sell it. So here you can say limit order placed at xyz the price, right? It is in the working. Now you can check it, right? So it's pretty much simple. This is how you can place a trade. Your order will appear in the orders tab below. Once filled, it's move into your position, right? So this is pretty much very simple. To manage your trades, you can add stop loss, and here you can see, and stop loss and take profits level directly on the charts, and just drag the line to the price point on your, if you want, for example, you could buy Bitcoin at $30,000, set a stop loss at $29,000 and take profit at $32,000. So it's completely up to your strategy and from wherever you are learning. Right now here I can just drag my it, and here I can just go into indicators. Here let's say from the I'm going to use autofib extension. Now automatically it got applied and I can check it directly from here, right? So it's completely up to you. So paper trading also give you a full account summary at the bottom, so you can check all your open position, which let me just drag it, make it half full screen here, and you can see it, right? So as you can see here, if I just go in here like this, and all this working in active field, all this information you will get it here. And this is a history, account history, trading journal, and whatever place it is, it cannot be deletable, so obviously it's a good thing. So guys, treat it like a real money. Don't just place random trades, follow a plan. Use it to test new indicators or strategies before going live. Record your trades in a journal so you can review who worked and who didn't, and adjust your virtual balance in the settings to match your real account size. This keep practice very realistic, and that is really good thing. And paper trading is a great for practicing, but it cannot fully replicate the emotion of trading with real money. So this is an important note. When real dollars are at stake, fear and greed feel different. That's why the best approach is to use paper trading to master the mechanics and strategy, then move to some small real trades once you are ready. So that's a complete setup and tips for paper trading on TradingView. Within a few clicks, you can practice buying and selling, test strategies, and sharpen your skill without risking anything. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.